With the new iOS 27 update, it's now easier than ever to set up calendar events and reminders on your iPhone. Want to learn how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you a few different ways to add events and reminders with Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Now let's get started. To get access to these features, you'll need to have updated your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. The easiest way to add events and reminders on your iPhone is with the new Shortcuts feature. If you get a text message or email mentioning something happening at a specific date or time, Apple Intelligence will pop up with shortcut buttons to add a reminder or a calendar event with that information. Simply tap one of these buttons to set it up in your calendar. You can also ask Siri to set up events or reminders for you. Just say, "Hey Siri," then ask Siri to set up whatever event or reminder you need. This way, you don't even need to open the Calendar or Reminders app. You can even ask Siri to edit events that are already in your calendar. Another useful update is that you can use natural language to set up calendar events and reminders. Open the Calendar app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then describe the event you want to add, like meeting with Steve tomorrow at 2. Apple Intelligence will automatically fill in the details. You can select if you want this to be an event or a reminder. Then tap the check mark in the top right corner to save. That's all it takes to add events and reminders with Apple Intelligence in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.